The cat, it's not in there.
Move, cat.
Hold on, I want to see them fight.
Y'all go.
Oh, it just bit him. It just bit him. What? The snake just bit it? Yeah. Is that good? I think the cat.
I'm finna put this on YouTube. Come on,
Yeah, I
bring.
like it.
I'm finna put this nigga on YouTube. Bring it to the gate. Y'all scared to pick it up?
Pick it up and put it right there, right?
She's scared to fight.
She's scared of that.
That cat's scared to fight.
She's scared of that.
She,
Too straight.
she not like them hood cats. Snaky.
About when I
Snaky.
get the cat off the porch, please.
That ain't me.
What in a snake?
Get it.
Jesus.
You get it out.
Kick it off the porch.
What do y'all got going on?
They got a whole bucket.
A whole bucket of what?
Snakes.
Oh my God, is he trying to attack him?
No. Now don't bring close.
Oh man, my ink.
I'm trying to get us out the bucket.
I'm trying to smoke a cigarette.
Put the snake back in the bucket so she can come out here.
That's thick.
I thought you said yeah. It's locked. I said it's locked.
Kitty, no.
Let me get us out the bucket, y'all. This stuff on YouTube. You see all them? Let me just stick. I'm not gonna hit him. I'm trying to move
Hey,
the grass.
Get your ass down.
Trying to move the
Get
grass.
down. Move. Get down. Not finna have that today. We're not finna have that.
What if they try to jump on that brown snake?
They ain't. We had this since yesterday.